Hello students, this is your teacher from Adarsh Education Society. I'll be teaching you grammar of standard 4th. Topic, rules of plural. This is our third video. So to understand this video, you'll have to understand the previous video so you can solve the exercises of this topic. Today, we are going to cover up exercises on rules of plural. Let's begin. Students, let's start with the first exercise. Look at the pictures, then complete the sentences with the correct plural words. Here you have to see the picture and you have to write down the plural word. Okay, so first sentence goes like this: 5 dash are on the table. So you all can see what is there on the table. Yes, you all are right. 5 books. Yes, it's books. B-O-O-K-S. 5 books are on the table. Now next question goes like this. Sheena washes the, you all can see she is washing the dish and there are many dishes over there, so it's dishes. So here the rule, D-I-S-H, a word ends with S-H. So if a word ends with SH, we have to add ES in it. The third one, the dash are in the kitchen. There are, here you can see the picture. Who are they? They all are thieves. If it is one, we will write thief. And if there are many, we will be writing thieves. So T-H-I-E-F is one. And if I have to make it plural, I'll remove that F. Instead of F, I'll be writing V-E-S. Okay. And the fourth one, 2 dash are at the zoo. Students, can you see who is there in the zoo? Who is in that cage? Yes, our national animal. Yes, it's tiger, right? So how many are there? There are 2. So 2 tigers are at the zoo. Now the second one, match the singular and plural nouns. So here there are 2 columns given to you. This one is singular column and this one is plural column. Okay, so you have to match the singular with this plural nouns. So we'll read one by one and we'll try to match it, right? The first one is tooth, T-O-O-T-H, tooth. So this tooth, when we are talking about one tooth, and when we say plural, tooth, plural of tooth is teeth. You all are right. We will match it. Now the second one, ship. So students, I have also told you there are some exceptional words where we don't add S or ES. That means the word remains same as it is. So ship, the plural form of ship is ship only. So ship, ship. Third one, child. And child is singular noun. The plural noun of child is children. Okay. And the fourth one, mouse, M-O-U-S-E, mouse. If there is one, we say mouse. And if there are many, we say mice. Yes, it's mice. So let's match. So I hope you understood. This one was really very easy to understand. Here you have to see that without adding S, ES, we have changed the spelling, or either we have changed the spelling or we have not. Okay, but we have added, we have not added any S, ES, VS in this. So now we will move on to the third exercise of this chapter. Third exercise, circle the correct plural nouns. Students, here in a bracket, we have given you two words. You have to identify which one is the correct one, that is correct plural form. The ELEPHANTES and ELEPHANTS play in the water. Here you can see two elephants. Now students, you have to identify which one is the correct one. This first one or this second? Yes, you all are right. The second one, that is elephants. ELEPHANTS. The second one, the LEAFS. LEAVES. Fall of the tree. So you have to identify the correct one is LEAVES. Third, the POTATOES. POTATOS are in the bag. Which one is the correct plural form? Yes, the first one, potatoes. If a word ends with O, we add ES. Fourth one, CHERRYS, CHERRIS are in the box. Students, the second one is the correct one, cherries. Moving on to the next exercise, right? Question D. Change the singular nouns to plural nouns. Students, here we have to read the sentence and we have to change that singular noun to plural noun. Okay, so I'll read the first question for you. The thief takes the key. Here you have to change this thief and this key to plural. So as you all know, thief will get changed to thieves and key will change to keys. So now this answer, the thieves take the keys. Now students, have you seen any difference in this first sentence and the second sentence? When we have changed this noun to plural, this verb is changed. See, the thief takes the key and now the thieves take the keys. Here there is no S. Okay, so there are some changes which takes place when singular noun gets converted to plural noun. Now the second one, the baby has one tooth. Okay, the baby has one tooth. You have to change this baby and this tooth to plural. The baby will become babies. Yes, we have to remove I and we have to add IES. Has will become have. When we are talking about single person, it is has. And when we are talking about many, we use have. And to, what will come here? Tooth? No, it will be teeth. The third one, the goose is in the lake. This goose we have to change. This goose will become geese. The geese. Now, this is plural. So, this is will become are. So, these are the small changes which you have to understand while changing it. The geese are in the lakes. The ship is under the tree. Now students, I already told you some exceptional words. Ship, okay, this will remain ship only. The ship are, see, is became are. Under the trees. The lady cooks in the house. The lady. We have to change this lady. So lady will become ladies. The ladies. And same like the first question, cooks. When single person, the action has a S over here. But when we are talking about many, it becomes the ladies cook in the houses. I hope you understood. Please understand the sentence and don't forget to do that minor changes of verb. Okay. So students, I think you all are enjoying this exercise. Let's practice one more exercise because more we practice, more we will understand the concept of rules of plural. So are you all ready? Here comes the last exercise. Circle the errors and rewrite the sentences correctly. So here students, what we have to do? We have to read out the question, that is the sentence given over here. You have to find out the wrong word which is mentioned in the sentence and you have to rewrite the sentence once again with that correct word. So let's start. I have big foots. So now students, can you tell me which word is wrongly mentioned in this sentence? Yes, this foots. This foots is wrongly mentioned because there is no word called foots. Foot will become feet. Okay, so foot becomes feet. When we talk about foot in a plural, it becomes feet. So we will rewrite the sentence correctly. I have big feet. Okay, now the second question. He eats lots of cherries. Now students, do we write cherries in plural form in this way? No. So the wrong word is cherries. And how we will write? We will write he eats lots of cherries. Now the third one. 6 fishes are in the river. Okay, 6 fishes. So as I told you, some exceptional words which remains as it is. So this will become 6 fish are in the river. So fishes, this one is the wrong word. She needs knives for the table. Knives. Is this the way we write knives? No, we write it, we remove that FE and we add VES, right? So this is the wrong word. She needs knives for the table. Okay. Now the last one, students. 3 mouses are in the kitchen. I know it is sounding very funny. Mouses? No, it is the wrong word. 3 mice are in the kitchen. I hope you all understood this rules which we have to follow while changing noun, singular noun to plural noun. If you have any doubt, please go through the previous video, try to understand it, and you can solve the exercise very easily. I hope you will practice more at home and understand this chapter. Till then, thank you.